Hi guys, continuing from my last illustration of laws of reflection in vector form, I am taking another example which is slightly difficult. Why I am saying that example to be more difficult? Because now normal reaction is two-dimensional. You can see that normal reaction here is two-dimensional. The incident ray is I cap plus j cap minus k cap, and this is the vector of incident ray. This is not a unit vector, in fact this is a vector, and this is a normal vector which is also a vector. It is not a unit vector, in fact, so I am writing it as vector. Okay, now we have to find out the unit vector along the reflected ray, and here is the formula. We can see that we have already derived this formula. So now we'll apply this formula. So ER reflected will be equal to EI vector. EI cap is the unit vector along the incident ray. So to calculate the unit vector along this ray, we have to divide it by its magnitude. Its magnitude is √3. So the unit vector is I cap plus j cap minus k cap upon √3 minus twice unit vector along incident ray. So incident ray is equal to unit vector along incident ray is equal to I cap plus j cap minus k cap along upon √3 dot with n cap. N cap is I cap plus j cap upon √2. Now we have to take the unit vector of normal also. So here it is, into multiply by n cap. N cap is again I cap plus j cap upon √2. So ER cap is equal to I cap plus j cap minus k cap upon √3 minus this is twice. First of all, we know how to calculate the dot product of two vectors. So I is dot with I, that is 1. So it is 1 by √6, √3 into √2. I dot with j is 0, I dot with k is 0. Now j dot with j is 1 also, plus 1 by √6. √6 is √3 into √2. And there is no k component present in n cap, therefore there would be no third term, and it would be multiplied with I cap plus j cap upon √2. Now ER is equal to I cap plus j cap minus k cap upon √3. This is √3 minus, this is equal to 4 upon √6, and 4 upon √6 into √2 here, it would be equal to 2 upon √3 into I cap plus j cap. You can calculate it that 1 by √6 plus 1 by √6 is 2 by √6. 2 into 2 is 4 by √6. Now √6 can be written as √2 into √3. So √2 into √2 2, and 2 is cancelled out with 2. So at numerator it would be 2 remaining, and at denominator it would be √3. So ER cap, in fact this is ER cap, is equal to this. Now I by √3 minus 2I by √3, that is minus I by √3. J by √3 minus 2j by √3, that is minus j by √3, and minus k by √3. So this is the vector along the reflected ray. Okay guys, I hope you understand the concept. Thank you. Keep watching for more videos. Thank you.